Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Chrysler 300 tail lights. First, open your trunk to gain access to the tail light assembly. You'll need to locate the access panel or trim that covers the bolts. Carefully remove any fasteners, such as plastic clips or screws, that secure the trunk liner or the access panel itself. This step is crucial for reaching the mounting hardware for the tail light. Once the access panel is out of the way, you'll see the bolts that secure the tail light assembly. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts. Use a socket wrench of the appropriate size to carefully loosen and remove these. Make sure to keep track of all the bolts, perhaps in a small container, so they don't get lost during the process. This ensures a smooth reinstallation later. With the bolts removed, you can now gently pull the tail light assembly away from the vehicle body. Be careful not to force it, as it might still be held by alignment pins. Next, locate the electrical connectors. These usually have a small tab you need to press to release them. Disconnect all the wiring harnesses from the bulbs and the main assembly. This frees the tail light completely. Now, with the wiring disconnected, you can fully remove the tail light assembly from its housing. Take your time to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the light. It might require a slight wiggle to clear any remaining alignment pins. Before installing a new light, it's a good idea to quickly inspect the housing for any dirt. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.